Hello everyone, welcome to Vawal Rajbari. Today you are visiting one of the most famous historical palaces in Bangladesh. Vawal Rajbari is located in Gazipur district. It is a symbol of our rich history and culture. The palace was once the home of the Bhawal royal family. The Bhawal estate was one of the largest estates in Bengal. It covered about 579 square miles. Nearly 500,000 people lived in the state. The state was managed by Prince Ramendra Narayan Roy. His two brothers also helped manage the state. The history of Vawal Rajbari is very interesting. It began many centuries ago. In the late 17th century, Daulat Ghazi ruled the state. Bala Ram was his Dewan. Later, Sri Krishna became the Zamindar. He was appointed in 1704. After that, the state became larger. Many lands were added to the estate. The family bought Jyotirmayi's estate. This made them owners of the whole Bhawal pargana. In 1877, Kaliprosanna Ghosh became the Dewan. He worked under Rajendra Narayan Roy Chowdhury. The palace became more organized and beautiful. Vawal Rajbari has beautiful architecture. The building reflects the lifestyle of the Zamindars. Its large halls and long verandas. The design is simple but elegant. Every corner tells a story. Many visitors come here every year. They enjoy the beauty of the palace. They also learn about history. Vawal Rajbari is a popular tourist attraction. It is loved by history lovers. Students also visit for educational tours. The palace has witnessed many historical events. It is an important part of Bangladesh heritage. In 1950, the zamindari system ended. The state was officially abolished. Today, the palace has a new role. It is now used as the Deputy Commissioner's office. Even today, its beauty remains. Working here feels like traveling back in time. The peaceful environment is relaxing. The old walls hold countless memories. Every visitor feels the charm of history. This palace is perfect for photography. It is also ideal for history lovers. Families enjoy spending time here. The palace is easy to reach from Dhaka. It is a wonderful weekend destination. If you love history, you must visit this palace. You will enjoy every moment here. Don't forget to take beautiful pictures. Respect this historical site. Help keep it clean and beautiful. Preserve our history for